To remove objects from photos on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first of all, we need to find the photo that we wish to customize. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Now we're gonna tap on this square with a pen at the bottom of the screen. Over here at the bottom, we need to find the Create category. We're gonna go here, and then you should be able to find the Erase option. So I'm gonna tap on it. We need to download the eraser first. So let's do so, and wait for the eraser to be downloaded. Once it is, we're gonna select it, of course. Over here we have the remove objects selected, so we should be able to just draw a shape around the subject that we want to remove. There we go, it's going to be highlighted, and you should be able to tap on the start button. There we go. Now let's wait for the object to be removed. And of course, if there's something left after the object is erased, like for example in here it actually got replaced with something different, so in that case we can of course keep trying. I can select this object again, and we can also try to switch to wipe instead if that is the case. And let's see if this time it is going to work. And unfortunately the app tries to simply put anything in here as a replacement, so I cannot really get rid of it, but of course we can keep trying until it is done. You might also try to use the manual option, which might be a little bit better. So in this case you can try to step by step remove everything from the photo. Of course we can make some adjustments here and there, and there we go. Now if you are satisfied with the result, you can tap on this check in the bottom right corner, then we can tap on the save in the upper right corner, and there we go. But besides that, you can also try to use the Photos app by Google instead. So this is of course another photo like gallery, I guess, which we can use as an alternative. And this one should also have an option to erase things. So if we start editing, let's skip through that. There we go. Now over here we should be able to just simply tap on the subject, and we need to install select to edit. You can also go to actions instead, and over here we have the magic eraser, so you can try to use that, and of course we need to install it as well. And then you can try to select whatever you want to remove, and then you can try to erase it over here. And there we go. In this case it went much better, so I can tap on this check now in the bottom right corner in order to then save as a copy. And there we go. So depending which one you prefer, you can of course choose either one or another, so you don't have to install third-party apps. Both of course options are, so the gallery and the Photos app, both are of course pre-installed on this phone. Leave a like and subscribe.